Roselle Hibiscus. This is one of the most interesting finds in Phoenix, Arizona. This is one of the most prolific plants that you can grow almost through the entire peak summer and through the early winter days. We did quite a few of experiments over the past 2-3 years for the microclimate for Roselle hibiscus and found out by accident that the best microclimate is having no microclimate at all, which is our Phoenix, Arizona full blazing sun almost from the entire morning through the entire afternoon and evening, and it takes 110 plus constant days. This is over 50 days now in Phoenix, Arizona without any issues. It actually thrives in full sun and heat in Arizona. It's a small bushy plant that you can start from seeds in early spring, about March or April, and it sprouts quickly in desert soil, in clay soil here in Arizona. And if you can let it be, it will grow into a tall bushy shrub that you see here, which is on the south side of the house, and it's almost grown to about 4.5 feet in a matter of 3-4 months, and it produces these green leaves and they are edible and you can cook with them in many ethnic cuisines including Indian cuisine. And as the winter approaches, by the month of November or December, they will form these purple fruits, and those are the ones, the calyxes of which you can harvest to create either jams or jellies and also to save seeds for future. This is the hibiscus tea that you typically get in all the coffee shops all over. And the correct soil for this is native clay soil with lots of compost or mulch just spread around on the top. And here are just the seeds which were sprinkled in the berm of this planting hole, and it's been growing in minimal space with once a day watering even in the peak summer in Arizona. And the other benefit of this plant is it does create a very good microclimate for any plant around it. So this is one of the bushes that we've been growing in the front yard itself, and it's creating a very good microclimate for this neem tree or bush rather that's coming up in this heat of Arizona summers. The Roselle hibiscus is so hardy and easy to grow that you can literally grow it with minimal efforts right next to even pavement. This is few seeds which were sprinkled in early spring right next to the walkway or the driveway and the concrete pavement, and it just needs a couple of inches of native clay soil, and that's good enough for it to grow happily. Just spreading some mulch on the top and let it grow, and it will create a very good microclimate. For example, here this Roselle hibiscus has created an excellent microclimate for even a seedling mango. This is a seedling Duncan mango which is growing in full Arizona sun even through peak summer with minimal leaf burns, but it's more happy because of the microclimate provided by this Roselle hibiscus bush all around it. And even the amla tree is doing really well because of that microclimate. And because of the Roselle hibiscus, which has grown vigorously just from the seeds over the summers, none of these tropical plants such as mangoes or amla or this jasmine, which is the Duke of Tuscany jasmine, none of these needed any protection or shade throughout 110 plus days of deserts of Arizona. So Roselle hibiscus is one of the definite plants you want to have in your yard, which is edible and also a great microclimate provider.